All right, so we're going to play around with this concept called hemiolas. Hemiolas are different groupings of patterns overlaid on top of one another. So a lot of times it's groups of 3 and groups of 2. So these are almost purposefully supposed to throw us off because we're not sure if the groove is back and forth or if it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. But so much popular music has hemiolas in it. So we're going to just try some different patterns and see how far we can get before our brains start to freak out. Start by feeling the beat. We're going to clap one of those patterns. And we'll start on a different part of the beat. Let's try keeping the beat in our bass drum. And just one of those hemiola patterns with that. On the hi-hat. Here we go. 3, 1, 2, ready, go. We could also practice that with our left hand. Let's try that now. 1, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, here we go. Okay, what if we did the same count of 3/2, but we're counting 8th notes instead, 16th notes instead of 8th notes? So it'd be all right, try with me. Here we go. Now try experimenting with these ideas, and you can play them with either hand, you can play them on any instrument, and we'll keep the track going for just a little bit longer so that you can make up your own rhythms and play along.